Hello friends, I am Rajiv Jain, VCRC 9193. Presently I am posted in Churchgate on Western Railways, Mumbai. Time for re-congratulating our VCRCN brothers who have further added new features into the website vcrc.in. They have also started a series wherein they are trying to connect with all the luminaries with a background of VCRC who have gone ahead and made a wonderful career, be it in railways or in corporates or in the other government sector. In its series, today I would like to welcome and have a face-on-face conversation with one of our brothers who has gone to clear civil services. Yes, I am talking about Sri Gandham Chandrudu. He is an IAS of 2010 batch, allotted Andhra cadre, and I would certainly want him to share his experiences on his journey from being a ticket collector to a district collector, the ups and downs that he has faced, his life learning skills, and certainly a message which he would want to deliver to each and every VCRCN brother of us. Over to Sri Chandrudu Gandham.
Dear VCRCNs and their families, a big hi to all of you. It was February 1999 when my VCRC training was about to be completed. We were exchanging slam books mentioning about our respective dreams. This is what I wrote: to become an IAS officer. I didn't know how then. It was a dream that gave me lot of sleepless nights. Years went by. Exactly 10 years later, the results of 2009 Civil Services examination were out, declaring me as an IAS officer. I slept that night peacefully. Some dreams take time to realize, but it is worth all the wait and the sleepless nights. Let me share my story with all of you. Coming from the remotest village of Kotapadu of Kurnool district in Andhra Pradesh, who has never seen a big city till I got into VCRC, later on got into IAS. This is only because of the help the VCRC extended to me. During civils preparation, I used to work as TTE in the night at the Kachigoda railway station and attended the classes during the daytime. Fellow VCRCNs have not only helped me with the duty adjustments, financial support, but also with leave sanctioning and interview preparation. On the D-day of my interview, the interview panel member has encountered me with a googly. As a ticket collector in railways, you would be taking lot of money from the people, right? I understood his intentions. I coolly replied him, yes sir, I take lot of money from the people. He was shocked. Then I continued, yes sir, I take money from the people. It is my bounden duty and responsibility to curb the ticketless travel. Whenever somebody is traveling without ticket, I take money from them as penalty and give a receipt for that. He didn't know how to respond. He laughed. I laughed. And I was into IAS. Railways and VCRCNs have contributed at each step of my IAS journey. Today, I am in front of you as 100th District Collector of Anantapuram. The exposure of working at different places, interacting with varied people and situations at a very young age has helped not only in getting into IAS but also working efficiently as one of the top collectors in the state. The tracks on which the trains run have become my runway to take off and fly in my life. I dedicate my success to the VCRCN bond. The strength of VCRCNs is the bond we have amongst ourselves and the Pan-India network. Let us strengthen the bond and also the network for achieving higher purposes in life.
Oh, that was wonderful. What a timeline that was. Brother Chandrudu, I would also ask you to please elaborate your experience with the novel website of ours, the features that have been recently added. We are also open to any message that you want to give to our VCRCN brothers and sisters. And Furthermore, any suggestions to improve the website or to improve the VCRCN bond?
I am delighted to note that the VCRCNs are bringing out VCRC.in. This is going to be the all-in-one platform for the VCRCN fraternity across the globe to share small things, big things, success, failure, joy, sorrow, everything. We can, really can. Jai VCRC, Jai Bharat.
Hello friends, that was our brother Chandrudu. I hope you have listened to him very patiently and cautiously. What an experience he has shared, what an history, where a person from a small village of Kurnool district goes on to become a district collector at Anandpur. A learning which each and every one of us should share. It is time to say goodbye to each and every one of you. Please take care. And yes, this is Corona time. Please follow the social distancing and the mask too. Thank you.